Harry Douglas here. Hey, have I helped you yet? Hey, before you go to the dealership to buy that new vehicle or even a used vehicle, I want you to talk to me first. Hey, Monday through Friday, noon to midnight, we're doing the Car Concerns Car Buyers webinars. We're holding those every single day. Since we started it in the 1st of October, we've helped hundreds across the nation. Hey, we start on the East Coast and we go to the left coast during the day. Hey, it works out great, folks. We can help you. Hey, I was a new car dealer for over 25 years. I won the Nissan President's Award. I won the Chrysler Pentastar Award. I know what goes on at the dealership. Let me help you. Hey, let's don't get sidetracked. Hey, let's don't get financially raped in that finance office. Hey, let me help you. Before you go to the dealership, I want you to talk to me on the Car Concerns Car Buyers webinar. Here's how you get a hold of me. You call me 865-622-3032. Leave a message, 865-622-3032, or just simply shoot me an email, harry@carconcerns.com. Hey, you want to go buy a vehicle like this 2011 Land Rover? Let me show you how to get the best deal, folks. I do it every single day. You be one of them. Before you go to the dealership, I want you to talk to me, Harry Douglas, Car Concerns Radio. You can call me Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. USA toll free, 1-888-454-3378, 1-888-454-3378. One more time, 1-888-454-3378. Or you can email me, harry@carconcerns.com. Hey, I am always watching out for you.